Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th and this is a mathematics chapter 2 whole numbers, and in this video I'm going to explain you exercise 2.2. Okay, now if you give your 15 to 20 minutes to me, I will make this exercise very easy and very clear to you. Okay, now so let's start with our first question here. The first question is that given the result without actual performing the operation using the given information. Okay now, so this question is telling that we don't have to do direct multiplication. Okay now, like how we do like 2 into 2, that's 4, how we do like that. So we don't have to do such type of things direct, we have to write the answer of that one. Okay now, so let's talk about this one and solve this. So this the first question. If you say this is a 28 multiplied by 19, that is 532, that's good. When you multiply 19 into 28, the answer will be same, because we know that if you multiply 2 into 4, that is going to be 8 only. If you multiply 4 into 2, if you change that, then the answer will be same, nothing will happen with to the answer. Okay na, so we already know one thing, 1 cross b equals to always it is c. Okay na, or other if you know that a cross b equals to that one C, or if you know b cross a equals to always c, both are same only, nothing will be. Okay na, so here if you multiply 9 to 28, the answer will be 532, that is going to be 532 only. But you know what type of property is it? So here we have to write one thing, this is the commutative property, associative property, what type of property is it? Okay na, so you have to write it here. So this is a commutative property, because we already know that. Okay, well, wait a minute. So this is, we already know that 1 cross b equals to c, or b cross a equals to c. This is a one type of property which is already in your textbook if you see this. So generally this is our commutative, this is our commutative property. Once you write here, this is a commutative property of multiplication. Okay na, commutative property of multiplication. Okay, so here we can write, okay na, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about the second one. 1 cross 47, that's going to 47, that's cool. 47 into 1, that is going to be 47 only. Okay, is it same? So what type of is it? Is it a multiple identity? How it is a multiple identity? This is, you can write multiplication identity. How is it? I will explain you once, wait. Okay, this is multiple identity. How? Because we know that whenever this a cross something number, a cross b or a cross 1, it will happen, then it is a only, or a cross a, that is going to be a only. Okay, so here what is happening, here a is multiplied by 47. Okay, that's 47. Here that's also, this is 47. That here till here it is clear, but this is going to be multiplied by 1. Whenever any number is multiplied by 1 or 0, that is the normal identity, like this is a multiplication identity. Okay na, so let's go to this one. This is a cross b cross c, this is b cross o, that is going to be c. Okay na, so this is a commutative property of multiplication. Okay na, so here we can write this is a commutative. Okay na, this you can write commutative property you can write here. Okay na, so this is something long, and this is multiplication, you can write this is commutative property of multiplication. Now this is 58 plus 42, that's the 100. 42 plus 58, that is going to be also 100, because we know that 1 plus b, always it is b plus a only. Okay now, how? Because 2 plus 4 if you add, that is going to be 6, or 4 plus 2 if you add, that is also going to be 6 only. Okay now, so which type of property is it? Is it additive, commutative addition? Sorry, this is a commutative property of addition. Okay now, so this is, you can write here, this is a commutative. Okay now, once you write that commutative addition, I will write directly here, this is a commutative addition. Simply, this is 85 0 plus 85, that is going to be also 85 only. Okay, so which type of identity is it? It is simple additive identity. Okay na, additive identity. Okay, how it is additive and identity? Because already tell you, whenever it is 1 and 0, so write the simple identity. If it is multiplication, write multiple identity. If it is plus, write the addition identity simply. Okay na? So right, is it clear? So let's talk about the last one. This is a plus b equals to d, b plus a equals to, it is always d. So this is a commutative addition property. Okay na? This is a commutative property of addition. So right here, this is a this is a commutative property of addition. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about this one. So in this one it is telling that find the sum of suitable rearrangement. Okay now, so if you have to do the suitable rearrangement, like if you generally, this question is given, if you add this question, what will be the answer? If you add this one, your answer will be 0.95 simply. If you add this one, your answer will be 600. But this is a directly, we are done that, we done directly, but it is telling that you have to do something suitable rearrangement. We have to do with the suitable rearrangement. So how we can do this? Simply what we can do, we just write this one. This is 238 is given, we have to add 238 plus 162. How? This is 238 plus 162, then we have to add this one. Okay na? Put in the bracket, then add this one also, 695. Because when you directly add this 2, it is going to be, how much it is going to be? It is going to be 400 directly. It is going to be 400 plus 695, and then after the answer will be 0.95. Okay, so if you add 238 plus 162, that, like if I tell you this is given 6 plus if it is given, let's suppose this is 6 plus 9 plus 4. So how will you count this? You will count 6 plus 4, that's 10 plus 9, that's 19. So we are doing with a suitable rearrangement, like that. Here we done that, we add 238 plus 162, that is going to be 400, then we added 695, that is going to be 1095. If you add like that also, 238 plus 695 162, the answer will be same, but we have to add suitably, like how we can do easily way. So if you add this one and this one, that is going to be 400 directly. After the 400 we add that one directly, one, that's why. Okay now, is it clear to you? I hope you will understand that one. Okay, if it is clear, then I will talk about the second question, this one. Okay, so in this one what will happen? Okay, right, so this is given 154, so let's add 154 and 65. So 154, if you add 460, then what will happen? Just put in bracket and then addition. Here also 197 plus 200 not. Okay, this is 197 plus 203. So if you, okay, so what you can do here, 156.46, if you add, this is going to be 200. Okay, this is 200 plus 197 plus 203, that is that 200 plus 200, that is going to be 400. So directly it is 600. Okay, so if you add like that also, 154, 197, 46 and 203, the answer will be same, but here it is telling you have to sorry for that. Okay, so here it is telling you have to go through the suitable rearrangement, so that's why it is happening. Okay na? So let's talk about the our third one, find a property by suitable rearrangement. Like that also, same thing we have to do. Okay, so if you multiply this one, if you multiply 25 into 1963 into 4, you know what will be your answer? Your answer will be 19, that's going to be 6, that's going to be 3, and this is 1 2 3 4, 2 zeros. Okay, so this is going to be 2 zeros. Okay, so if you multiply this one directly, its answer going to be 153. If you multiply with this one, that's going to be 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, so that's going to be 4 zeros. Okay, this is generally a direct answer if you multiply that, but you know you have to do with the suitable rearrangement. So how we can do this? We multiply 25 into 4 directly, easy way. So 25 into 4, if you multiply, then we have to multiply by the 1963, then we have to multiply with this one. We will multiply each and every one, but we have to go through the slow process. If I tell you 5 into that's going to be 5 into 9 into 2. So how you do this? 5 2s are, that's 10. 10 into 9, that's going to be 19. You can do directly. Okay, now so that's why we are going to do this one. First of all, 25 into 4, if you do, that is going to be 100, and when you multiply this one, that's the we will get direct answer. So how we can, this is going to be 100. Okay, now if you multiply, and then after when you multiply this one, so answer will be going to be direct 1963. How many 2 zeros? Put the 2 zeros. We get the direct answer without doing anything. These are a simple way of the doing the multiplication, etc. Okay, na? Right, so let's talk about our second question. Okay, na? Okay, so these are the second question. So in second question, what we do, we are going through the 20 into 50, that is going to be 1000, I think 1000, yeah, 1000, and 256 plus this one, it is going to be something. Okay, na? So let's do. So 20 into 50 we do first of all, then we multiply with the this one 255 cross that's going to be 61 na? Okay, 61, right? So if you multiply 20 into 50, that's going to be 1000. Okay, right? And then we have to multiply 255 into 6, it is going to be 1530. Okay, and when you multiply both of this is 530. Okay, how many zeros? 3 zeros are there. Put the 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros. This is your final answer. These are the very easy things, you can do that. Okay, na? Let's talk about the fourth question. Fourth question is telling that find the value of the flowing. We have to find the value of the flowing. Okay, na? So you can do one thing, you have to multiply this and multiply that, and after the multiplying you can add together, you will find your answer. Okay, second one also same, you just multiply this 2 1 and then multiply this one. After the multiplying, then add this together, you will find your answer. But we have to do, how we can do this, we can do in the like suitable properties. Indirectly we can say if you multiply directly this one, your answer, you know what will be your answer? Your answer will be 11,040. Your answer will be 11,040. If you multiply this one also directly, your answer will be 3,88,710. So this is the answer. Okay, but we are not going to do like that directly. We are not going to do, we are going with the some twist. How, what is it? I'm explain you. This is 12 or 8 is there na, 12 or 18. We are going to add this one. You see this 368 and 368 both are same na, write this one. This is 368 368 same, and okay, wait a minute, I will explain you. This is 368 368, then multiply with, then this one you have to write 12 plus 18. Okay, now what I'm doing, I multiply 368 with 12, then again I will multiply 368 by 18, then I will add that together. Okay, na? So when I multiply 368, okay, na, this is going to be I cannot go do, I'm not going to like that. If you think, I will add this one here, I will add how 368 cross, first I add the bracket, so it is going to be 30. Okay, now what I do, now I can directly multiply. So if I multiply, the answer is 040. Okay, I hope you understand. This both number are same, so I written one time, then after this is I written here and I added. When I add this one, this is going to be 30, and when I multiply 360 to 30, that is our answer. So here also this is 4,319. 4,319 is same, so I will write here 4,319 cross, this is 79 plus 11, I will write directly 79 plus 11 I write. So you have a doubt why you are written the plus here. You know, both are the same numbers, and in this one there is nothing like a minus, there is no symbol of subtraction, there is a symbol of plus only. That's why I'm written the plus. Okay, na? Because it is going to be helpful for the direct multiplication. So when this is going to be 3119 multiply, when you add this one, it is going to be 90. Okay, na? So now it is easy to multiply. So if you multiply 4,390 to the, if you multiply by 19, you know what is the answer? Answer is 3,88,710. This is our answer. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about the fifth one. Okay, this is a fifth one. This is our, you can say, last of that particular, then after we will go to the next one. Okay, so in this one, if you multiply this question, I hope you know, if you multiply this, your answer will be 40, okay, that's going to be 4,07,745. Okay, this is your direct answer. If you multiply this one also directly, your answer will be, it's going to be 20 lakhs and 9,955. Okay, this is your direct answer if you do, but we don't have to do directly. We have to go through the find a product using the suitable properties. You have to do with the suitable properties. So what we do, simply we are going to solve this one. How we are going to solve? This is 1989. Let's think this is a 200, and this is, let's think this is a 2000. In 2000, if you minus 11 1, then what will be the answer? It is going to be 989. Same only na. I have a 2000. When in the 2000, if I minus 11, the answer will be that one only. So apart from the taking 1989, I am taking 2000 minus 11. Okay, because both are same only, so that's why I'm taking this one. Okay, because it is suitable. Okay na. Right, so okay, I'm sorry, I'm going to erase this. Okay, once I erase it, okay, so let's talk about this one. So here what I'm telling, here this is 205 is given. Okay, that's cool. I'm taking multiplication. Then what I'm doing here, I am taking, this is 2000. Okay, 2000 I'm taking. In this one I subtracted 11 1. That is totally equal. This one is equal to this one. If you like, if you think, if you subtract this one, the answer will be 1989 only. Here what we done, here we added, so answer is 30. So if you think here also, if you subtract this one, the answer will be 1999. Both are same, it's become same like a question. So what is the uses of doing that? So that's why you will not going to do directly. Okay na. So we will write like that only. Okay, we do 205 cross 2000 minus 11 1. Okay na. We are not going to do this one. So what we do here, we are going to multiply. What we are going to multiply 2005 going to multiply by 2000, then again 2005 going to multiply by 11 1. Okay, how it is, let's look. This is going to be 2000 multiply by 2000, this 205 going to multiply by this one, and here it is, you have to always take subtraction, then this is going to multiply this one. So this is 205 cross, that's going to be 11. Now multiply. If you multiply this one, your answer will be 1 2 3, and that's going to be 4, minus if you multiply this one, your answer will be 2255. And you know what will be the final answer? If you subtract, your final answer will be this one. Okay, your final answer will be 407745. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so this is your final answer. Is it clear to you? Right, so let's go to the next one. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so let's solve this one. So this is given here, 1991, this is a 1005. Okay na. So in this one I'm taking 1005. I'm taking, this is 1000 plus 5. Okay, this is going to be 1005. Okay na. Right, so let's see this one again. So here I'm taking this 991. Okay, multiply by, this is going to be 1000 plus 5. Again I'm not going to add this one. Okay na. I'm not going to add this one. I'm not going to add this one. Why I'm not going to add? Because if I add this one, it is going to be same as it is 1500, like the question. How is it question? It is going to be same. That's why we are not going to do that. We are directly going to be multiply. How? We are going to multiply this one to be this one, and again this one by, that's 5. Okay, we are going to multiply. Okay, are you ready to see? Okay, let's see. So I will erase this one. Okay, so let's talk about this. So when you multiply 1991 into the, okay, I will put multiplication into the 1000. Okay, 1 2 3, put the bracket, then after I will make the plus symbol, then after here again 1991 multiplied by the 5. Okay, let's multiply. If you multiply this one, what will be the answer? 1991. This is a 30, put the 3 zeros. Okay, then plus this is a 1991 multiplied by the 5, it is going to be 9955. Okay, this is, if you add this together, you know what will be the answer? It is going to be 1 2 3, okay, 3 zeros and 9. Okay, 9 5. Okay, once wait. Okay, this is going to be 955. So this is your final answer. Okay, so we can do this one like that. Okay, now you can do directly, the answer will be same only. Okay, is it clear to you? Right, so I take you in the sixth question. The sixth question is telling that a milk vendor supply 56 liter of milk in the morning. Okay, how many milk he is supplying in the morning? 56 liter milk in the morning. Okay, 44 liters milk in the evening in the hostel. Okay, so in the evening time he is supplying 44 liters. So if the milk costs 30 rupees, you know what is the cost of milk? 1 liter milk is 30 rupees liter. 30 rupees liter, 1 liter milk. Then how much does he get in the per day? In one day, how many money he will get? Okay, I will explain you this question. This question telling that total milk per day. Let's write here. First write the total milk per day. Okay, na? Total milk per day. Okay, we have to write per day. Okay, so total milk per day 56 liter in the morning. In the morning he is taking the 56 liter. L means liter. Okay, then let's add this 44 liters milk in the evening. Okay, how many? 44 liters. Then what are the total milks? What in one day? In one day, what are the how much milk he is supplying in a one day? What is the total milk he is giving in the morning and evening? So if you add, this is going to be 100 liters. Okay, so 100 liter milks he is supplying in the one day. Let's suppose you are a boy and you are going to supply a milk 10 liter milks. Let's suppose you are going to shop, you are buying 1 liter milk in the morning, and in the evening you are taking 2 liters of milk. Then in a one day, how many liters of milk you take? You are taking the 3 liters of milk. Like that, here in the morning he is giving 56 liters and evening 46. In a total day, how many liters he is giving? He is giving 100 liters. Okay, na? So now let's talk. So the price of 1 liter. Okay, na? You know what is the rate? Rate means price. Okay, price of 1 liter milk is 3 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees, not 3 rupees, 30 rupees liter. 30 rupees liter he is giving. 1 liter price is 30 rupees. 1 liter price of milk is 30 rupees. So how many liters you have milk? We have 100 liters. Then if you multiply by the 30, you know what will be the answer? 3000 rupees. Okay, 3000 rupees per day. The income of per day is 3000. So you can write here total income. Okay, how much money does he get? So you can write total money. Okay, you can write total income also. Total income or money, you can write anything. Total income or money per day, you can write per day equals to, that is going to be, okay, it is going to be 1000. Okay, 3000 rupees per day he is earning 3000 rupees. How? He is selling morning and evening 100 liters milk. If the cost of 1 liter milk is 30 rupees, then what is the cost of 100 liter milk? So when you multiply that, you will get the answer. So I multiply 100 by 30, the answer will be 3000. So it means that the total money he get in per day is going to be 3000. Why it is going to be 3000? Because morning and evening, if you count total how many liters milk he is supplying, he is supplying 100 liter milk. So 1 liter milk price is 30 rupees, then 100 liter milk price is 3000 rupees. Okay, na? Is it clear to you? Okay, so let's talk about the seventh question. Okay, so the seventh question is telling that okay, I will read this one. So Chandana and Venu purchased 12 notes and 10 notes. Okay, so Chandana purchased 12 notes and Benu purchased 10 notes. Okay, so how many total notes he purchased? Let's do this, but just see that. Okay, the cost of each notebook is 15 rupees. Okay, what is the cost book of the notebook? If you, the cost book of one note is 15 rupees. Chandana bought 12 notes, Venu bought 10 notes. The cost of one book is 15 rupees. Then how much amount should they pay to the shopkeeper? Then how much money they have to pay to the shopkeeper? Okay, let's talk. Let's suppose you are there here. You are there and this is your friend is there. Okay, this is your friend. You bought 5 notebooks. Let's suppose you bought 5 notebooks. Your friend bought 10 notebook. Then what is the total notebook you bought? You bought total 15 notebook, right? You and your friend, total notebook, both of you, how much notebook you bought? Total 50 notebook you bought. So if the price of one notebook is 10 rupees, let's suppose the price of one notebook is 10 rupees, then how many notebooks you bought? You bought 15. So what will be the price of 15 notebooks? So you will calculate 15 into 10. The price of one is 10, then 15, then if you multiply 150, the price of notebook will be 150, right? So now I will come to the question. Okay, so let's come to the question and understand the question here. Okay, so in the question, is it same like that also? So first let's see the Chandana. Okay, this is a Chandana. Okay, Chandana, how many bought? He bought 12 notes. Okay, he bought 12 notebook. Okay, and Venu, that's Binu only, I think. It is purchased 10 notebook. So total notebook. So the total, how many total notebooks they bought? Okay, so total notebooks. Let's suppose you and your friend are there. You bought 5 and your friend bought 10. So how many total notebooks you bought? 15 na? Like that. Chandana bought 12 and Venu bought 10. So how many total he bought? So they bought it 12 plus 10. That's going to be 22 notebook. They bought it together 22 notebook. Now the price of one notebook, cost of, okay now I am writing here, cost per book. Okay, cost per book, per notebook. Okay, the cost of one notebook is 15 rupees. Then you both are bought it 22 notebook. 22 into 15, you know what will be the total amount? The total amount will be 330. So the total amount is, so total amount you have to pay, that is the 330 rupees. Okay, so here you know what will happen. Chandana bought 12, his friend, whatever it is, Benu bought 10. So total notebook he bought it 22 notebook they are bought it. But you know what is the price of one notebook? The price of one notebook is 15 rupees. So one notebook is 15 rupees, two notebook is 30 rupees, three notebook is 45 rupees, but they are bought it 22 notebook. So when you multiply 22 notes with the 15 one, you will get 330 rupees. Okay na, 330 rupees he have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay na, is it clear? Total amount 330 rupees they have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay na, is it clear? I hope this one is clear to you. So now let's talk about the match the following. This is the last one and this chapter is going to be ended here only. So the last one is that this is 1991 plus 7. Okay, and here also same, 7 plus 99, both are same. So these are the addition. So this is going to be communicative addition. So here this is given communicative under addition. So answer option C is correct here. This is 68 plus 50, here also 58 plus 68. So this is going to be communicative multiplication. Okay na, so this is given communicative under multiplication. So this is going to be option E. This is 1 multiply by dash something number it is multiplying, and the answer is 1 only. It means that it is multiplied by 1 only, or otherwise yeah, that's one only. Okay na, so this is multiplication, but this is multiplication identity. So here the answer is B. This is 0. Okay, let's suppose this is 0, it is adding with any number 0 only, that's going to be 0. Okay, if it is like that, if it is 1, then it is going to be 1 only. So it is directly, simply it is given 0. Once look at that in your textbook what is given, but the answer is this additive inverse. So option A is correct for that. Additive inverse, additive identity, okay na, not inverse, additive identity. Okay, so which is left? Only D is left. So for the option fifth one, the correct is D1. Okay na, clear? I hope this chapter is going to be very clear to you, and whatever in this one I explain it, I give 100% for this one. And I don't know how is it video going, did you understand or not, but in the end of this video definitely you will tell to me how the video is going to be effective. Did you really understand this exercise or not? If you didn't understand this exercise, don't worry, just give me the message in the comment. Definitely I will explain this chapter again to you if you are not understand that. Okay na? So this lecture is going to be complete here only. In the next video we are going to talk about our exercise 2.3, which is our last exercise of chapter 2. Okay na? So let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.